What's going on? How we doing? Good morning. Donovan, Zishan, Tris, how we doing? Rob, good morning. What's going on, Don? It's funny, I don't even have to look over to see who did that. Oh boy. Tony, Grand Rising.
Daddy, chill.
All right, we got some work to do today. We're not anywhere near drawdown on most of the accounts, but we are only $100 away from drawdown on the 2 Lucid accounts that we have that are in the copy trader. 617 away from the Take Profit Trader account. So had a lot of lessons learned yesterday, and yeah, we're gonna take those and move forward, and yeah. Hopefully we can snag some easy wins today without too much drawdown, and start to claw our way back here. Should have only been down. I went back here. We'll just go back and look real quick. So this crazy ass move at the open. I lost here, right? I cut most. I should have just cut the whole thing when we didn't, you know, when we got missed by what, 2 points or whatever it was. I should have cut the whole thing when we broke the highs. That needs to be what I do moving forward. I can always re-enter if the move continues. However, I lost all my money in here. If I was not in this trade, I would never trade in here. Yet I lost an extra like $600-700 in here. And then the only other opportunity that I should have been looking at was here. But I got stopped out, I think, for the remainder because I started it down here. So that is the big thing moving forward. I used to say this all the time trading stocks. I need to start saying it again. If I was not already in the trade, would I be entering here normally? Like, is this a setup that I would take? And the answer is no. Like, I would not take this setup, but I kept trying. And the worst part is I was trying to take it on the way down. Like, I don't do that. I look to hit the tops. I don't look to get in on the way down, but I was looking for confirmation, and we got faked out every time. Look at this. Every time we broke a previous candle, fake out, fake out. Well, this one didn't even break a previous candle, but you get the idea. The only consolation prize is this thing never came back down to where I would have been able to get out anyway. This is the lowest it got, 265. We were like needing a way bigger pullback. This thing just kept going. Even here at night, it didn't even get that low. So I just noticed that the current low a day is also the low of this candle, which was 264.75. Tell me it was exact. 264.75. Holy crap. Look at that. This candle literally ran into that support that it ran into yesterday. Crazy. That'll probably be a key level. But 2 things. Cut the trade fully. Don't ever hold any contract. Actually, 3 things. First thing, cut the whole thing when you obviously should cut it. Accept the loss. 2.
Emotional damage.
Would you take this trade if you weren't already in a trade? That's number 2. You gotta move forward with that. And number 3, don't ever adjust your daily stop loss that you have hard coded into your software. If you're doing that, you know you're on tilt. Why are the sounds echoing? Oh, that's my fault. I had the desktop audio on as well. My bad. Should be good now. I'm sorry, Tim. Were you talking? Ruining the clipping opportunities. Yeah. They're just like Steve, you know? Sometimes they get ahead of themselves. All right, might actually try this if we get a decent push down through 50. There was news at 8:30, I think. Didn't really do anything. Or is it 8:30? Yeah.
遗忘，遗忘都遗忘，去年的烦恼和姑娘。
Don't really want to get involved here before the open, but this seems to be happening a lot lately where it does this. We're kind of in the middle. Look, current high day, current low day. So wait, we have a gap right now from where we closed yesterday. I just noticed that. Yeah, there's a gap to be filled to the upside here. So I would look for that to get filled at some point today. Good morning, Need He. GDT, good morning, by the way. Leia, good morning. Ah, it's fine. It's all good. I have a pretty important interview this afternoon. See how it goes with Take Profit Trader. Gonna be speaking with them around 1 o'clock. See if there might be a little something there. We'll find out. I got 1 minute here till the open. New face of the company, yeah, right. That'd be nice, but I don't think that would be the case. I mean, that would be awesome. Yeah, I plan on being myself. I'm not even sure if it's going to be like a Q&A type thing or if they're like interviewing me to, you know, I don't really know. So we'll see. I'm kind of going into it with an open mind, and we'll see what happens. Change your hoodie? Yeah, I thought about that. When I first went live, I looked over and I saw it, and I was like, "Ooh, should I wear this?" Yeah, maybe I'll put on my Under Armour hoodie or something. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. Good luck, everybody.
Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
A quick little guy there. Got to build that drawdown back up.
Order filled. Order working.
Don't want it to go right to the lows here. Want it to kind of work its way down, but might hold under 200 or 300.
Order filled. Order filled.
Breakthrough, breakthrough. Get up there. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. There
Order
we go.
filled.
All right, we'll take that. Good start. Good start. It's all right. We know that's always a possibility, but we're just looking for the scalps. Just print a logo and put it over it.
Winning.
Normally, I wouldn't care if it goes a little bit lower, but we're working with minimal drawdown right now, so... All right, we're up to 171 drawdown, though, which is nice. Getting further away from that 100. 171's a lot further than 100. Honestly, we want this to go lower. Go test the lows, maybe get a pop through 250. Imagine we could find a contract to hold all the way back up to fill that gap. That'd be nice. 150 points as of right now, 160. We can get the push down through 250. That'd be even be 200 points. Got a feeling we're just gonna bounce here though. We're gonna find support. It's like as much as I want to take this trade, I just can't. We gotta be respectful. I learned my lesson. Just because I think I know what it's gonna do just from watching the markets for the last 8 years or whatever it's been, I gotta respect it. Gotta respect it. What the heck was that? Do you see that? Hopefully I'm wrong. I mean, it is holding down here. Hopefully we get a nice little push down. Let's go. Only the best trades moving forward. Let's do it. Let's go. Alpine should have got a nice short. That was, I mean, that's a beautiful opening candle there. I forgot to take it on the other account. I took it yesterday and it worked. That was the one positive thing yesterday. My Traders Launch account, the eval. I actually won on that. We're going to break the lows here. The question is, how low do we go? We need through 250. We're already through that area from yesterday. So now we got a ways back down till what, 180? All right, so that's where we're looking, possible 180. And didn't even get through, didn't get the 250. This could very easily go back down towards the 180s to make up for yesterday. You just got to look at it on a much bigger time frame to finally get that V-shaped pattern. The Golden Crown's at 244. Might not get there. It's such a dangerous game playing these fake outs. Because, like, they happen all the time, right? But then there's also times where it just goes pew, and, like, once it goes through that candle, it just flies. So it's like, if you put orders out here, you very well could be trapped almost instantly because it goes up through 300, then it just keeps going, and then what, right? But on the contrary, this happens a lot where it looks like it's in the direction of the trend. It looks like it's going to maybe reverse, and then it kind of fakes out by just going over that previous candle and then rejecting. See it all the time. All right, through 250, see when we push away. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Go. You can see the buyers trying to do a little something, something.
Order filled. Order working.
$250 retest real quick.
Order
Take it.
filled.
Take it. Let's go. That felt so good just letting it do its thing, and then you could finally see it exhausting itself. I got to bring my price action reads back into play here. That was beautiful. You don't usually see it do that, where it comes down and you can literally see it running into the wall. the jiggle we used to call it trading stocks. You don't ever see that in futures. That was kind of nice. Like imagine the time in sales going from red to like red and green / gray to then starting to hit green again. Like that's essentially what I'm envisioning as the candle was doing what it was doing there. That was pretty nice. Oh, you said the golden crown? Oh, 244. Yeah, we went through that. But it is trying to bounce. Guys, wherever the bottom is, I'm telling you, we might go to 460. So be careful. I think we might go to 180 though, to make up for yesterday. Let's go to the higher time frame real quick while we can. Show you what I'm looking at. Actually, yeah, where's 180? Yeah, down here. It's that next level of where there was anything. I mean, honestly, between 150 and 180. It's really, there's nothing in between, right? This is that big move from yesterday, and now we're trying to give it back. It's getting bought up, though. So let's go back to the 1 minute. Hit my TP on my PA per account. Woo! I had 2 contracts shorted at 369. Oh, you're way up here. Let's go. Beautiful move. Sold it at 244, the golden crown, baby. If only I could do that on an actual account. You said it's a PA account, right? So it is an actual account. Alpine is live. Let's see if his worked out. Oh yeah, it did. But then he took a loss on the one he's trading by itself right now. But the orb worked for him. All right, see if we can't make a break at the lows here, or if we're going to start forming a lower or a higher low. Why do I always get those mixed up? Oh, paper. It looks like you said PA per account, but paper. Okay. You just the capital P in the middle there threw me off. Oh, by the way, I was going to wait until I had a Take Profit Trader video that I made. I wasn't planning on releasing it until next week. I was actually going to release my strategy video tomorrow. But seeing that I had the interview going today, I was like, you know what? You know what? Let me post that this morning. And, you know, you never know. They might go click on and see what's going on. And but yeah, if you guys could go like, especially comment, if you could like put a nice little comment on there for the video, just see if we can't get it some traction going here this morning. That would be mighty kind of you. Here, I'll link it for you guys. I'd really like to try to impress them because oh yeah, and hype it. You can hype it from your phone. I have always liked Take Profit Trader. I really do think that once you get to the pro accounts, and especially the Pro Plus accounts, like they're the best that the industry has to offer right now. So if I had the ability to work for them, I totally would, because I put my full faith in a company like that. Like I trust them 100% when it comes to prop firms. Like they just do what they do, and they don't even advertise. Like they remind me of like the Teslas of the car industry. Like they just do everything right, and that's that. You know, like they let everything speak for itself. All right, get shareable link. Are slicking before the internet? No, it's true though. I mean, you're not wrong, but it's also, it's just true. It's facts. It's the facts. All right, looks like we're gonna try to make a lower low here, which is good for us. We might get another trade, although we need this thing to go. We need it to go. Speaking of Take Profit Trader, I'm actually curious where I'm at, because we only got what, today and 2 more days, which tomorrow's Friday. So technically we only got today and tomorrow. I'm curious if I am anywhere near getting those free 50K accounts. Trying to hold support here at 224. Blow through, baby. Blow through it. It'll suck if we come up just short. Let's see. All right, we did break it. Got the 217. Obviously, we need way more than that. Oh, we're so close. We only need 600. $616 more worth of sales in today, between today, tomorrow, and the 28th. But no one usually buys anything on the weekends. Edna, what's going on? Good morning. There's liquidity at 300. Watching Bookmap. Well, I mean, that would explain why it ran into it twice. Where are you watching Bookmap at? You watching Rips? At 200 as well. Well, 200 is the big area from yesterday. If I got my taxes back, I would get it. Yeah, my wife keeps asking me when we're going to get ours back. We overpaid by quite a bit throughout the year. We didn't know, though. That was our first year kind of like prepaying quarterly like we did. Well, it wasn't our first year, but we did it to make sure we avoided any fines. But then we had to pay a fine for the state taxes because we way overpaid on federal, but then we underpaid on state. So now we know for this year, like what percentages to adjust to. Oh, you still got to file yours. You better, in, what is it? April 13th or is it March 13th? Tax deadline. April 15th. Ah, I was close. I said 14th. Yeah, so you got time. Yeah. I think we had the idea that we were probably going to get a refund this year, so she was anxious to get them done. Oh, you're and he's got the NQ too. Interesting. Most of the time people don't show this. Pretty sure this is against their terms of service. I don't think he's supposed to do this. He's got a F ton of people watching it, including me. Yeah, there is a lot of liquidity sitting there. 220, 215, 210, 200. But they see that liquidity and somebody could think, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can eat that liquidity up. He's got a whole separate channel for the ES. Oh my god, this guy. Yeah, he's this. There's no way this will last. Bookmap is actually fun to watch because you can see how much the algos are in control. But he's actually got it set up nice to where you don't see it that often. Or like he's got it zoomed way out, so you're only seeing like the big liquidity, not the small. You see the flashes on there too? That's the algos doing what they're not supposed to be doing. What do they call those? Not ghost orders. Where they flash the bids. What's it called when traders flash big bids? Spoofing. That's it. Spoofing. Yeah, that's completely illegal, but they still do it. Yeah, spoofing. Well, we're 10 of 10 and we're still live, so that's a good sign. It's a good sign. I would really like to trade some more, but I am not forcing anything. I'm done forcing it. Done. No more forcing. Don, thanks for leaving a comment. Let me go respond to that. Oh no, Dom, what's going on with the other props? Which props? I'm actually going to ask you that in the comment too to get a little engagement going. Friend got denied her payout from who? And why? Apex. Well, they show the violations now. Did she? What violation was it? All right, we're trying new lows here. See if we can get through 200. Where's that book map? Oh, this is like super delayed. Oh, maybe it's just me. Yeah, it was just me. I mean, if you're playing solely off bookmap, I mean, at 200 level, you'd be looking for it to hold. But you can see yeah, look, they're going right through it. And there's no liquidity, no big blocks of liquidity underneath it. So, all right, all the liquidity that was from like 220 to 200 is now gone. And here, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. So see these yellow bars? That's liquidity. It's gone. They ate through it. And every time, see these like big yellow blocks popping up like that? That's spoofing. See how they disappear? They pop up and then they disappear. That's spoofing. See it? You see it? That's illegal. But yet they still do it. Look at this huge resistance. Look, they're throwing big liquidity out here to try to make it grab. So whoever bought all these shares is now looking to sell them right here. And so you're watching the market in motion. Oh, what's going on? No, it's been a good morning so far. All right, let's go back over to the charts. But yeah, when you hear supply and demand and stuff like that, that's what it is. Well, yeah, she only traded 4 of the 8 days. And she doesn't have 5 of the... I mean, it says why. Oh, wow, she's got a lot of accounts. Violation state system, violation days, violation count. What are the violations though? Yeah, look at all this liquidity. All that liquidity that was down here is now up here. What does the market tend to do? When the market makers see this, right? This is how they clear their books. Look at that. Now the real question is, when it gets here, does this disappear, or is it real? Right? That's the other thing, because you see big liquidity like this all the time. A lot of people base their trading off of this. Like they'll watch a book map and they'll see where the big liquidity is, and then they just put their orders in, looking to get right back to the big liquidity. And it was like a magnet, right? Like, look, we were going lower, and all this liquidity started to form, and look what happened. That's immediately when it started going up. Oh, look, now this person's trying to sell. It didn't go up like they were hoping. Look, now they're trying to get out. Now it's being used as resistance. Oh, they might have got filled there. Look at the spoofing, man. That's crazy. The spoofing is crazy. Look. If you could zoom in, there was no big order there to fill that. They were just spoofing it. I don't know. Yeah, that's one thing with Apex I don't understand. Is the... I mean, it is in there about the scaling, so... I know that's only one, but at the same time, like, she hasn't even... She can't try to get a payout. Plus, did she even... With this in place, like, she probably couldn't even apply for the payout, right? Good morning, Starboy. I don't know what I said, Cole, but yeah. Laura, aka Mama, how's the weather in Florida? Like someone's trying to get out of a position right now, kind of pushing it back down. 215. See if it was a spoof. It was a spoofer. Or maybe it wasn't a spoof, but they just got out. Because it was a big bubble right there when it disappeared. So we might be going lower here. You're in shorts? I'm actually in shorts today too. Not on purpose though, I just slept in them. They said 10 days, which the last violation was on the 4th. She applied for the payout on the 19th. We thought it was weird that it said she didn't make 50 plus bucks for 5 days. Well, maybe they don't count the days that were in violation. I don't know. Shorts as in short pants? Damn, I wish. It's still chilly here. I mean, I'm inside. Unless you're talking about my mom. She's in Florida right now, so a little different. All right, we're actually in between two plots of liquidity here. Might bounce a little back and forth here. It's kind of fun seeing this. Because when we're chopping, it's probably because of stuff like this. Like that big liquidity still up there at 240, so they're definitely trying to push it back up there. All right, there was a little push up through. Look, they're just throwing liquidity at that level, 205. It got eaten up and they just threw more in there. And this very well could just be an algo going both ways, right? Short 205, buy 190. Short 205, buy 190, right? You got to figure when you're doing that with hundreds of contracts. And look, some of these 69 contracts, 22 contracts, 29. Like these are some big contracts. 163. Like that's one order. 163 contracts. That's crazy. Look, now they're just going to try to do it lower. And then they just do the same thing. They'll buy here, and then you'll see the sells start to come in here at 190. This is them building a position. Watch, I guarantee you, once some of this starts getting filled, you'll start to see something up here above it. Although these look like spoofing orders. See how they're disappearing? Nice. All right, I'm going to go back to the chart. We might get a trade here. Shot down through 150 is what we're looking for. We're through those levels from yesterday, aren't we? Yeah. We're down into the... We gave the full move back from yesterday now.
Order filled. Order working.
Just looking for a quickie here. Retest on 150. Probably should have waited, but that's a nice candle. Not looking for anything crazy, just the 150 retest.
Order filled.
Just a small guy, we'll take it. Obviously want it to go way lower now. That was a risky trade, but that was a really nice candle. That was a nice little dump candle. I mean, those are what I'm looking for, right? Those are the rubber band type trades I'm looking for. And in theory, if you get near the bottom, you probably get about half of it. But since we're at a key level, a $half dollar, whole dollar, I tend to just front run those and to be on the safe side. That way I don't get stuck in something silly. Yeah, Cole, that's Mama. Mama Bear. All right, I'm gonna try to make this go lower. Yeah, see, there's at least half your candle in the rubber band. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a drink and hopefully we'll be going lower when I get back. It didn't work. I was 198.3 or 2. 198.2 this morning. Let's go. I want to see that 195 and then we're going to start hitting the gym. There's snow outside? You're killing me? Yeah, we still have some snow left, but not that much. Where are you at, Cole? That should be good for you, right? For a towing company? You want snow. Snow means money. Snow means stuck cars. Hey, can you come back today, Mom? Because we're going to run out of Fresca. If it's on sale. Yeah, we only have so Amanda was sick this week. And so she was home all week. And you know how Amanda is when she's home with the Frescas. They disappear twice as fast. But I will say I'm tired of paying $8 a case. She just missed you. All right, nice little rejection. What's bookmap say? Yeah, there's like no liquidity on the bookmap right now, except for up top there at 250. You can see them spoofing orders, but no major liquidity down where we're at. So, if the only major liquidity that's currently out there... Oh, wait, I'm like way behind. I don't know why that happens. If the only major liquidity is still up here, 230 is forming. The odds are we might go try to retest that. Because if the market maker sees nothing, the only big liquidity is up there, might have to go try to get it. Fresca. Nope, still full price. What is this? Prebiotic cherry vanilla Pepsi Cola. What the heck is that? It's on sale because ain't nobody buying it. You're in Philly? No, I'm so jealous. You're in Philly? Mom, we need to drive to Philly. It's killing. I've been craving one so bad. Hold on, let's see if Cole can guess. Don't say it, Mom. Which cheesesteak place, Cole, do you think I'm talking about? I know I didn't say cheesesteak until now, but we had a cheesesteak up in Philly, and I have been craving it ever since. Jersey Mike's? Get out of here. Florida's 12, 14 hours. I'll be there by midnight. Just come down to Maryland. You can sit by my closed pool. Hopefully not Geno's or Pat's. Yeah, definitely not Geno's or Pat's. John's was good, but not John's. John's is it roast pork is the name of it? Yeah, that's not it. Definitely not Geno's or Pat's. Yeah, those are definitely tourist traps. Northeast, I don't know where in Philly it is. I'm not familiar with Philly like that. You have two faves, Mom? What's your other fave, Mom? You know which one I'm telling you not to say. What's your other fave that you're talking about? I've tried a lot of cheesesteaks in Philly, and there's only one for me. There's only one that takes the cake. D'Alessandro's? No, it's not D'Alessandro's, but D'Alessandro's was up there. I think if I did have a second place, it would be D'Alessandro's. Oh, D'Alessandro's is your second? I got you. I mean, D'Alessandro's was really good. That was my favorite before I ate at the other place. Anybody else want to guess? Yeah, I guess you guys could start Googling. I'm assuming that's what Zishan's doing. I've never been to Chicago. Bueno beef. So good beef. I'm gonna look it up right now, though. Bueno beef. Chicago's original Italian beef. Zishan, I know you by now. What the heck? Are they dunking that in? They dunked the whole sandwich. Oh man, that looks delicious. That looks really good. Oh, Mom, don't give them hints. I mean, there are a lot of cheesesteak places in Philly. If I were to give you a hint, I would say Dave Portnoy. Because it's his favorite, too. Actually, it's his favorite pizza as well in Philly. Long line. Yeah. Definitely a long line. It's expensive, but you can order online. Like, order online as in they'll send it to Maryland? It wouldn't taste the same, eh? Oh, Sam's Club has Fresca again! Yes! They got rid of it for a little while. They have it again, though. Is it the right price? 12. Oh, it's way cheaper, too. Let's go. How many of these can I buy? So here, so Walmart has, let me go back to Walmart. Walmart has the Frescas. They occasionally will go on sale for like $6 for a 12 pack. But right now they're $8.42 for 12. But Sam's Club, they have a 24 pack, so twice as much for $12. So for an extra $3.50, you get twice as many. I'm gonna order a lot. $100 worth, $99.84. That's before tax, though. Of Fresca. What are we? It's Walmart cheesesteaks? No. Subway? Get out of here. How is Subway even still around? You got Jersey Mike's, you got Jersey Mike's, you got Firehouse Subs, you got what's the other one? Not Jersey Mike's, it's the other one. There's another one that's close by to me and I can't think of it. Sub places. Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's. Oh. Little dumpage. Little dumpage. Little dumpage. We get down towards 100. Go. Nice dump candle here. I don't think we're going to get it. It's probably going to retest, but I'm hoping we get it. Go. Push through. Push through. Push through. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, there's a lot of liquidity down at 70, 25.70.
Order filled. Order
Try a
working.
quickie. This might go to 25.70 though. Oh, can't even get that retest. That's not good. There we go.
Order filled.
Just taking the quickie 100 retest. Same thing we did up here. Beautiful candle. Probably the best candle we've seen all day. Minus the opening candle. I mean, this is easily the best candle we've seen. Probably get this retest at 130. Hopefully not yet. Hopefully not yet. Hopefully we get a push down to the 2070. There's a lot of liquidity sitting right here.
Order working.
I'm gonna put an order there just to see what happens. It's sitting there. There's a lot of it. The market maker sees it. The market maker wants it. The only reason I never talk about liquidity before is because I never had access to it. But as long as this guy's getting away with it, I'll use it. It's expensive. Bookmap is expensive. All right, here we go. See if it wants to try it. That liquidity has been there for quite a while too, so I don't think it's going to move. This is probably somebody who shorted up higher looking to take profits. But I am just going to look for this quick little retest up here at like 83. We get filled. If we get a big pop up, it's probably them covering their position. All right, they're going for it.
Order filled. Order working.
All right, just looking for a quick little retest here. All right, they ate right through it. All that liquidity is gone. That might not be a good thing, actually. Yeah, let's say there's nothing holding it up from there.
Order
oh,
filled.
No,
Order
and
filled.
now we're lagging.
Order working.
Now we're lagging too. That's not good. Uh-oh. No, I don't want too much drawdown. No. No. We can't afford too much drawdown. I mean, just not on the... No. No. I should have added, honestly. I was just scared. I didn't want to create too much drawdown for the Lucid account. Some liquidity showing at 25. Not 25K, 25. I should have never took that first position. That was just me being stupid. It's going to lose the Lucid accounts because of it. There's a lot of support trying to form here, but not looking good. We might be saying bye-bye to the Lucid accounts. Yep.
He needs some milk.
Yeah. I'm going to
Order
have to
filled.
trade as if the Lucid accounts aren't even there. Because they're gone. Yep. Sheesh. We might lose all the accounts. What the fuck?
Order filled. Order working. Order working.
So we lost the 2 Lucid accounts. That sucks. Some liquidity sitting right at where my average is, of course. Oh, it disappeared. Might have been spoofing.
Order filled.
Back-to-back days, man. Got me on the way going up yesterday, and now it's going to get me on the way down today. Oh, man.
Order filled.
Just in a fucking free fall. Thing was flying high yesterday, and now we're just in a free fall today. Crazy. All that from yesterday and more. Look at that. Here was the move yesterday. Look at the move today. Almost looks like nothing. Brutal, man. Absolutely brutal. Well, it doesn't even have to go that much further, and we're gonzo for the day. Again. Back-to-back days. I mean, it basically has to stop here. Where was that? 650 at the bottom.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
All right. Looks like we gone. Unless we get a miracle bounce right here.
Order working.
Need a miracle. We're not gonna get the miracle. No miracles today. Oh. Shit. I forgot to change this back to 700. Wow. Now I'm gonna lose 900 instead of 700 again. I think. I totally forgot to change it back to 700.
Order filled.
Daddy, chill.
He needs some milk.
I'm so mad at myself that I forgot to change it back to 700. I lost an extra 150 there for no reason. Or 250 because I got slippage. I am not, guys, I'm not changing it. I hit my max loss, so it's is what it is. I'm actually changing it back to 700. When I went to go change it, when I realized I saw it go through 700 and it didn't stop me out, and I was wondering why, and then it clicked that I never changed it from yesterday because I closed everything out yesterday. I'm just having a brutal month. This whole month has been just horrible. Apex accounts are still alive. They're hurting. They are hurting. But they're still alive. And you already know this is going to be the bottom. You already know that's going to be the bottom. What am I? Why was I adding? I mean, look, I'm gonna tell you my thought process. Adding these 2 extra contracts was on this bounce. If we didn't get the full bounce, I was gonna cut 2 of those contracts, and I just didn't. Why? Like, that's on me. If I cut those 2 contracts, do we last? I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But I didn't, so it doesn't really matter. It's part of it. I lost the 2 Lucid accounts and my Take Profit Trader account. The growth account, this one, is still alive, but not by much. It's got $134 in drawdown. Sucks to suck. Back-to-back days, man. Back-to-back days. It's brutal. Absolutely brutal. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 2 minutes. We'll run the golf thing like 3 or 4 times, and then I'm probably going to get out of here. Go reset myself for the interview later. Man, I am just struggling lately. Just can't get anything going. Has nothing to do with the copy trading. I mean, I don't really know. I mean, you can't really, maybe, I introduced bookmap this morning, and I took a trade because of it. I'm not blaming it. That's on me. But first entry probably should have been here. Does that save me? I don't know. There's a lot of what ifs on this trade. A lot of what ifs on that trade. Well, it is going lower, so it kind of makes me feel a little better, I guess. Absolutely destroyed. Cole. Hold on, give me a sec. Can I open it back up? I don't even know. It didn't even load for me. All right, go ahead. Donald, Starboy, Fiona, go ahead and Blockwire as well. I'll type it again. I opened it back up. Make sure you guys get in there. At this point, I'm kind of hoping I win so I can keep the money. I need it. I need it for more accounts, apparently. I'm not buying any more accounts. I'm going to focus on the Apex accounts since that's all I got left at the moment. Well, I still got the growth account, but it's struggling. It's struggling. All right, pretty sure you guys are good. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Cashier, you should be the last one. Let's see. You might have already been in there. Let me see. I don't see you. Cashier. All right, I'll add you. For some reason, it didn't put you in there. Excuse me. All right, 55. Man, that's rough. 2 days in a row. Started off well, too. Definitely some mistakes made in this trade. Definitely some mistakes. All right, let's play some marbles. We'll do this 3 or 4 times, unless somebody wins, obviously. I'll put this back up And then I'll be here tomorrow for Giveaway Friday. Wish me luck later in the Take Profit Trader interview. Hopefully I can shake my sadness away by then.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Pretty much, pretty much.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
You get me? You get me? First things first, I blew a TPT account, so before we speak, I want another one. that, that would be funny. Wait, why is there $73 in shipping costs? I thought it was free shipping. Oh, because I'm not signed in. I was like, wait a minute. Ivan just going for it. The bridge has other ideas, kind sir. Ooh, how do you miss that? Oh, please. Please, I need the money. I need the money. Pretty please. Pretty please. No. Oh, no. That should be in there. Play it again. My marble bounced off the hole. Yeah, well, I don't know what to tell you. Look, it's we're gonna watch my marble until it dies. Because it won't be long. Promise. The fact I made it that far, I don't know how that happened. I don't know how it happened. The grass is pretty. Yeah, I hope the golf courses I play on this year eventually have grass that looks like this. Well, looks like we might finally be getting the bounce. Or an attempt at a bounce. Loser Moe's. Real Donald, did you mess me up? Real Donald! You little stinker! Donald messed me up. Did you see that? Oh, Johnny might have messed Don up. Maybe. Well, they both. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, so close. Yeah, definitely getting the attempt at a bounce right now. Fast trade. Nope. Close. At least we're getting people past the bridge. That's always a plus. Mom, I'm sorry. I can't save you. I can't save you, Ma. All right. If we get at least one past the bridge on this one, we'll do one more. How about that? We'll keep running it until someone doesn't pass the bridge. The first race where no one passes the bridge, that's the last one. Fiona always wins. Mom's in the pool. Oh, man. V-shaped recovery, anybody? Only if I was still holding my position somehow right now, it would look great. After it faked out like 20 times. She's in the virtual pool. No one passed the bridge. Oh, all right. We can run it back. Get in there. Code VOLA still alive? No, not for long. Everybody dead. Everybody in this club getting dead. Play again. We're just going to keep running it until somebody doesn't pass the bridge. GDT about to return to live streaming. Oh, snap. Come on, Marbles. No, nobody won. Oh, so tomorrow. You hear that, Mom? Your boyfriend's going to be streaming for 5 days in a row. That sums up my day right there. Oh! All right. You guys came in there with a vengeance. There was like 7 of you. No one's making it through though. Tony! Yes! We got a chance. So y'all saying there's a chance. All right, Tony's our only hope here. Come on, Tony. We haven't made it past the second laser since we started this track again. Oh, it chased you down. Chased you down. 8 o'clock? Damn. Guys, don't look at the chart, by the way. Don't look at it. I don't want to look at it. I should just close it out because I'm not going to trade anymore. You know what? I am going to... Well, no, because I'm going to go back to it after we... GDT off to a hot start. I'm going to slow it down right here, though, as he gets paddled. Oh, market. It always comes back. It's just a matter of when and if you can hold on long enough. Rigged. Rigged. Put it in reverse, Tony. right, can we get a bridge? We did. There's one. That's all we needed. The show goes on. Got lucky. You're only going to get one, too. That's crazy. Fast Trader saved it for everybody. Love you, Mom. You have an angry baby? Is his name Tim Vesh? I think my marble is a bit tarted. I'm not even making it to the first drop. Nope. We're not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. This is it. These are the marbles on the track until either somebody wins or nobody makes the bridge. Oh, I got this, boys. For the boys! I know losing is part of the game, but man, it sucks. I just hate that I would have saved my Take Profit Trader account. I'd have an extra $250 on all these other accounts. I'd have more than $134 in drawdown on the Tradeify account. I mean, that part's on me. I just forgot to change it back. Stupid, man. Just a lot of mental mistakes lately. And then just really need to catch myself. Still got 30 marbles left. Still got plenty of chances here. First try? First try? Nope. Oh, Mom just left. She's not even gonna know that she won. Oh, she going for it. Nope. 14, 13, 12. Josh. Oh, Olafi's down here already. Nope. Can Josh save it? I just knew Josh was going to be on the save it, so. Oh, nope. Oh, this isn't looking good. This isn't looking good. This isn't looking good. This is not looking good. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. All right, you're in there. Should be. I don't have any idea where Gonzalez is, so we're going to count on you. This is it. This is it. No. Oh, he's still got a shot. Oh, you're going to have to go left. You're going to have to go left. Oh, just made it. No way. Last marble. That's online, so it should make it down. Gonzalez for the save. For the save. Oh, it was clear path. Just not fast enough. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. All right. Sad times. Sad times today again. All right. I will be here tomorrow for Giveaway Friday. Hopefully I have good news that the interview went well and all that good stuff. And I hope you all have a good rest of your day. 2 days in a row. You ever notice that tends to happen? You ever notice that? Like when you take a loss the next day, I don't know. I've noticed that about my trades. I wonder if it's just something about the way that the market moves. like consecutive days like that. Interesting. Might have to think about that one tonight. All right, I will see you all tomorrow. Until then, have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.